Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect or link your Google Forms to Google Sheets in minutes. Google Forms makes it super easy for us to collect information and to create our own surveys. And if we come up here to the top, we can click on responses and see the data that we've collected so far. But what if you want to do more with this data? And what if you want to see when these individuals actually submitted their form? Well, in that case, you're going to want to connect your form to Google Sheets. And that's what this video is about. Here within the same responses tab, we can come up here and select link to sheets, or we can select the more drop down here and then go on to select destination for responses. Either one will both lead you to this dialog page. Now by default, the first option is selected, create a new spreadsheet. We are going to start with this example and then I'll show you how we can add it to an existing spreadsheet. Now here by default, it's going to put in the name of our existing form followed by responses in parentheses, but at this stage we can actually go ahead and rename this. I'm just going to call it customer survey sheet, and then I'll go on to select create, and I'm going to be brought back here to my responses tab. But if I jump over to my Google Drive account, here you can see we now have a new sheet called customer survey sheet, and if I open that up by double clicking, now we have all that same data from our Google form, including timestamp information. Now this makes it easier for me to filter, to sort, or maybe I want to even copy and paste this information and put it in some other application. So it allows for a lot more flexibility. And of course, this link between my sheet and my Google form is live. So as new responses are recorded, they will be populated right here from within the sheet. But what if we already have a spreadsheet and would like to add our Google form information? In this example, I've got a spreadsheet which contains information from a different survey, and I'd like to keep all of that information in the same place. So this time, if we go back to our Google form, I'm going to click on this more options and then select destination for responses. I'm going to choose the second option, which is select existing spreadsheet. And when I choose the select button, I'll be brought to this dialog, which will first show me my recent spreadsheet, but I can also come to my drive and search through any of my drive files. Here's the file that I'm looking for, the one that has the existing information. I'm going to select it, and then down below I'm going to click on insert. Now go over here and click on view in sheet. This time around it's going to bring us directly into that spreadsheet, and if we look down below, you will see that it has created a new tab. We now have a sheet within this worksheet. Here on sheet 1 is the original customer survey, and in this second sheet right here we now have my responses from my existing Google form. And that's it for this tutorial. Now you know how to link your Google form to your Google Sheets. And if you have questions about Google Forms or Google Sheets, be sure to let me know in the comments down below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel.